Grace, and today we are moving on to the second act of Children of Eden. As I mentioned in the first video, this act is about Noah's Ark. So the song I'm going to sing is called Stranger to the Rain, and it is sung by Noah's youngest son's girlfriend. And she's explaining to Noah's son that she's not able to come with them onto the ark because she is being punished by God, because she is descended from the race of Cain.
Thank you all so much for sharing music with us today. It was a pleasure to play for you. The goal of the Sunshine Project is to release a video every day. So if you subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button, then you'll get an email every day with a link to our new videos. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you back next time.